Quick yummy chicken and rice recipe. Quick recipe. Let's get started. 1/4 cup oil in a wok. 2 medium-sized diced capsicums. Sauté for 2 minutes. Flame, medium to high. Add 1 diced onion medium. Add 2 tablespoons soya sauce plus 0.2 tablespoons chili sauce plus 0.1 tablespoon white vinegar. Take out the veggies on a separate plate. One tablespoon chopped ginger garlic. Add boneless chicken 600 grams approximate. Flame, medium to high. 2 tablespoons soya sauce. 2 tablespoons chili sauce. 1 tablespoon white vinegar. Black pepper 2 teaspoon. Add salt, according to taste. Blend 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Add tomato paste. Flame, high. Meanwhile, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Make a runny slurry. Lower the flame. Add the corn flour slurry, mix well. Medium flame. One tablespoon sugar. As the gravy thickens on medium flame. Chicken is cooked. Time to pour our veggies. Flame low. Boil rice. Time to serve.